Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a tutorial on how to draw cats using oil pastels. Today I'm drawing Rexie, who is super cute and awesome. Go check out his Instagram and you could check out mine too. These are some of the things that you could use for blending, but I just like to blend using fingers. Make sure that you use a paper with a smooth surface because that would make blending easier. Okay, disclaimer. I lost the video footage of the original drawing, so here I've quickly demonstrated how to draw the eyes and the nose on a separate piece of paper. Add tiny dots to represent the specks of light in the cat's eyes using a white gel pen. This really brings his eyes to life. You just need to break down the image into parts and then proceed. Another method of blending is by putting a light color on top of a darker one. I've used white a lot in this case. Make the cat's fur using strokes of different colors and lightly blend them to get rid of harsh edges. I recommend using different shades of a color. This will add dimension and depth to your drawing. Pay attention to the special markings and details on the cat. Every cat has unique markings, and Rexie has what I would call cat ears on her forehead, which is adorable. I have used about 6 to 7 colors to make the fur, again making tiny strokes to represent it. Do not simply color it in. Now Rexie has this very cute, cheeky pose in the picture that I chose as reference, so I'm drawing him with his tongue sticking out. Add shades of grey, no pun intended, to make the shadows. Don't be afraid to use black for the darkest shadows. I assure you, you won't ruin your drawing. Be bold. After you're done with the base drawing, start adding the little details. This is what will bring everything together in the drawing. Now comes the most fun part. Use a safety pin or some other pointy object to make the fur even more detailed. Oil pastels lift when scratched, so gently make small scratches on the paper. Be careful not to scratch it too hard or it might tear. Use a white gel pen or a fine tip brush loaded with white acrylic paint to draw the cat's whiskers. And ta-da! You're done! Sorry if my voice sounded weirder, I have a cold. Thank you for watching, see you next time!